Hello and welcome to the Piston Works. In this video we're going to be showing you how to clean a leather seat using Heaven for Leather by Angel Wax and then protecting it with the textile and leather sealant from Nanolex. So in this video we're going to be showing you how to clean the leather seats using Heaven for Leather. To do this you want to start by spraying the product on the seat. So you don't need too much, you just want a light covering, and then taking a dedicated leather brush and just starting to work it in circles. So until the whole seat's been covered. Make sure that you get into the bolsters and down the edges. That should be it. And then we want to take a clean microfiber cloth, so just wipe the product off. So this will wipe the dirt away as well.
We might as well admit to viewers, might we, Nathan, that we actually did this as a we did this yesterday, didn't we?
We did.
And we had a nice stripe there and months of dirt on the seat and a sort of before and after. So unfortunately, because someone didn't press record on the camera.
Yeah, so now you've got a mostly clean seat to see the process on. Right, so now that the seat's all clean, we need to go into protecting it. So to do this, take an applicator pad and spray a few squirts of the Nanolex sealant on. And then we just want to go over the seat nicely, just making sure that you get every area. So to add the level of protection. So once it's on there, you just want to give it a short while, just to bond. So, and then you need to take another microfiber cloth and just buff off any residue. Right, so that's probably been long enough. So we just need to take a clean microfiber and just buff off any residue from the sealant. So this should leave a nice, clean, protected seat, so that's soft to the touch as well.